All right, guys, so welcome back. January 30th. Fuck, it's January 31st, damn it. I kept saying January 30th the whole fucking day. All right, guys. So anyway, we're running with the markets on the right side of the equation. I want to bring up and elaborate the market move expansion. January 31st, damn it. So there it is. If we're to point it at a historic analog, this is what we're looking at. That's today. And basically you wonder, what the fuck is this historic analog, Leo? I signed up for this market crash thing, and what are you showing me here? So for those of you unfamiliar, real quick, this is Bitcoin 2017 in December. Bitcoin drops, bounces. This is where we are on Bitcoin right now. We sent you a message in our paying member group yesterday saying, hey, this is it. Bitcoin right here is an equivalent of Bitcoin 44,000 plus a few hundred points, okay? Send you a message saying, hey, short Bitcoin, anything above 44K, which means Bitcoin is just about to do this, okay? And there's one thing that we're not 100% sure about, and it is this. So considering Bitcoin is taking a lot longer to bounce here in 2024 opposed to February of 2018. So this is December 2017. This is February 2018. Then basically we're saying we're not sure if there's going to be an out bounce based on the historic analog. I mean, we can go just to shit on Bitcoin. Now there's a chance we're going to drop, bounce, and a much bigger drop, which I have voiced that in multiple videos. So guys, if you are wanting to accumulate more Bitcoin, you short it with 13 market moves, you buy it back at a lot lower level before. Yes, we do believe Bitcoin will hit $200,000. Okay? At some point. It's not going to be this fucking month. It's not going to be after it halves. No. But the moment to buy would be right before it halves, right? So, but before it halves, we're going to go for this. So that's a quick summary on Bitcoin. But let's focus on why we came here for. And guys, I dare you to trade shit that you're not trading now. If you're not trading Bitcoin, you missed on this. Can you imagine what is a 10,000 point in Bitcoin would be equivalent to like a 25% drop in the market? Can you imagine as a trader? How can you look at yourself in the mirror? Like, well, Leo, I missed 25% of the market drop. I'm okay. What are we going to trade tomorrow? Fuck you. What are you are you completely fucking insane? Okay, so you wouldn't miss on a 25% drop in the market potentially. Now, I personally don't think we're going to drop 25% here straight, but I think we're going to have a really nice drop. So for that reason, if we're to overlay the current market conditions onto this historic chart, basically after Bitcoin initial top and drop in 2017 and January 2018, market tops out within 30 days. So guys, we're literally like on this historic analog. It's been like close to 30 days when Bitcoin tops the fuck out. The whole world is screaming, hey, 100K. And what do you get? You get 10,000 points lower. We've called it. You fucking traded with us. You know how much fucking money you made in that? Hell yeah. So now we're saying this is the candle, not the green candle. Okay, the green candle was Friday, right? It's Friday when we send you an alert, guys. If I had the fucking time, I'd insert it here. You probably saw it in one of the prior videos. Basically, the market shoots to 49.53 on S&P 500 futures. And I'm like, fuck, this is the fucking top, fucking short this bitch. Okay? And so that was Friday. And now we're transitioning to this Wednesday. And Wednesday candle looks like this. And so ideally, if you want to trade, what you want to ask next is, okay, what the fuck is next, Leo? So what's next is this, is a gap down, which, by the way, there's not like a 100% statistical proof that this is exactly how the cookie is going to crumble in 2024, but I think it's going to be very similar. So what I'm saying is tomorrow is a move 2 of 3. So basically we get, if it's a move 2, we get a small bounce, and the bulls are cheering like, oh yeah, fucking, Biden is, he lost the credibility of the Fed. We don't care. We're going to buy stocks anywhere. And then you're going to get this. Or we're just going to gap down and you're going to get this. So there's two outcomes for tomorrow, move 2 or 3. So if you believe it's a move 3, then you need to be getting your positions right now because the market is going to gap the fuck down. Okay? And if it's a move 2, and for those of you who are like, man, I'm in California time, I don't get up to trade the markets till later. Well, you fucking say a prayer to a move 2 right now, because basically the market's going to go slightly higher before it does this. So there's 2 outcomes. Out of the 13 market moves, there's 2 probabilities. So we got like a 10%, nailed with a 90% probability. That's how you trade 13 market moves, guys. Use historic analog. It's like, boom, tomorrow, out of the possible 13 patterns, we're going to get this or this. That's what I'm going to fucking trade. It's simple. And then you split your expirations and your entries and you're done. And that's how you become a fucking trading rock star with 13 market moves. Now, let's move forward as far as these historic analogs. So, following that, there's 2 red candles after that, 1 green, and this is where, guys, we're here to talk about the move expansion on the charts. You want to know how move expansion looks? So imagine that this was the 80-point drop today. I'm going to write 80. We're talking about S&P 500. This is today. Let me fast forward this chart. Well, this is how 80-point move look like. This is how move expansion looks like on the chart of S&P 500 today. Whoa, Leo, this candle is like bigger than this one. No shit. And it's bigger than this one. Whoa, really? And it's bigger than this. Leo, this is the biggest candle over here. Holy shit. And it's also accompanied by a big fucking sell volume. Maybe not as big as this one, but okay, we're fucking getting there. Okay, it's like, as far as this time frame concerned, over the last couple of years here, whoa, that's like only one other time that the candle extended this size. Do you get the message? At the same time as MACD is rolling over and accumulation is all fucking top, they are about to unload this market in a way that you have not seen in a long fucking time frame. In a long time. Like COVID time, yes, it's gonna look like shit, and they're not gonna be purple, they're gonna be red. It's gonna be like fucking candles just dropping, and you're gonna be like, when do I buy the dip? You're gonna call Jim Cramer. Kramer, when do we buy the dip? And he's like, I don't know, just average down. I don't know how low this shit is gonna go. I told you to buy it over here in the dip, but now I'm not sure. Oh my God, buy it here. No, buy it over here. Oh fuck, definitely buy it over here. So for those of you fucking dip buyers, okay, that's the fate that you're facing unless you listen carefully to this message by 13 market moves. Okay? So basically a major fucking dumber. Like what? You guys, if you can't, what is this? What the fuck is this? Like if you don't know what that is, how can you wake up tomorrow and trade the markets? What the fuck is this? So the answer, I'm not even gonna give you that. I've given you the answer so many fucking times. Okay, I'm done giving you the answer. You go to 13mmtv.com and you just buy the fucking course. It's like 7-hour course. It'll explain you what the fuck that is. So if you don't know what this is, okay, and no, it's not like, Leo, this is RSI. It looks overbought. Fuck you. That's why you don't make any money in the market, because you think when RSI is overbought, it's time to short. You don't have a fucking clue how to trade the market. So that's exactly why you should go to 13mmtv.com and buy the fucking course now. Anyway, let's roll with what is this market move expansion phenomena that you're talking about, Leo? Why is it so fucking important that you're posting multiple videos on this in the beginning of the year and now? You're posting multiple videos, Leo. What's going on? This must be important. No, it's not fucking important. I just got nothing fucking better to do. Okay, I've got fucking traders blowing me up right now. We're taking fucking trades. But yet, I still find time to make sure that I record this so you can fucking succeed tomorrow. Okay, Leo, thank you. Okay, maybe I'll pay some fucking attention. Maybe I'll even, on California time, maybe I'll wake up tomorrow on time. Okay, you motherfucker, you don't even deserve to go to sleep. You stay up all night trading, man. That's how you beat the fucking market. You take you take a nap on Sunday morning when there's no futures. All right, so you get the point, okay? It's the move expansion. It's the first day of the move expansion. We're to roll it back to the historic chart. Okay, this move is about to expand. So this 80-point move that looks like this, or this move expansion. Wow, Leo, why didn't you show me this chart? Now I know what the fuck you're talking about. I may just stay up all night. Tell me what the fuck to do. Okay, so on NASDAQ, it's a little bit more pronounced. Why? We've told you last week why it is going to be a much bigger, more pronounced drop on NASDAQ, because it's the fucking technology stocks, or particularly the semiconductor sector, has been leading the market higher. Well, now that it's unwinding, well, no surprise. I told you Wall Street works just like the herd of sheep. They all head for the exit at the same fucking time. That is why you get a move expansion candle looking like this. Oh, that looks pretty bad, Leo. But I was listening to CNBC. They were saying over here, we were making all-time highs. And they were saying, oh my God, there's so much opportunity in the market right now. And you should look at this sector to buy. And you should be buying banks. And you should be doing this. And that's why you're getting fucked as a trader. Because you listen to bullshit that is highly irrelevant. Okay? While the market kept going. Now, I know when you read in the headlines like, the market keeps going higher every fucking day. Really? What has it done in the last 5 days? Absolutely fucking nothing. Now, if you study the 13 market move scores and the charge divergence scores, like, what are the black candles? They tell you they're selling at the fucking top. That tells you people are getting the fuck out. And you think the people are idiots that they're getting out while all you see in the news, oh, the market goes higher every day. It goes fucking high. Does it really go higher? No, it goes fucking sideways while people are building short positions. That happens exactly before 2008 collapses. And then you get what? Oh my God, Leo, that looks like a big red candle. Damn right. That's what we call here a move expansion. A move expansion, damn it, on the strongest fucking volume on this chart. Let me see if I can draw that out where you guys can see. Well, I can't. Look at this fucking candle right. It's the biggest fucking candle right next to this one. On the downside, people are getting out. You got a bear cross on MACD. Guys, the show is over. Okay? So from TAC, we said TAC is going to crash first. That's the sector that's been leading the market. And that's the shit that's going to, and so I pointed out a good argument to that would be, well, Leo, but they're going to take out money from tech and they're going to put it elsewhere. Well, after today's fucking Powell speech and the way he answered the questions, okay, nobody's going to be putting money in any other sector. They're going to be getting the fuck out of all sectors. I know it's hard to believe. Oh, Leo, what do you mean? I was reading, they were saying airlines is a good time to buy. Whoa, fucking, are you fucking crazy? Okay? And like those people that are telling you this shit, they've got like no responsibility to maintain, fucking nothing. They tell you it's a good time to buy airlines. Are you fucking out of your mind? Guys, a fucking airlines made a killing for 13 market moves in the last 30 days. Do I need to bring up the chart of Boeing? But Leo, Boeing went higher today and I bought puts at 200 when it was hitting. Yeah, exactly my fucking point. That's why you should trade with a 13 market moves coach. We shorted it at 260. Why are you shorting it at 200? Well, Leo, because it looks now like it's going to fucking drop and there's a lot of bad headlines. Yeah, that's why we don't short it at 200. Okay, you wait for the fucking bounce, damn it. Point is, okay, while they make you believe certain things in the news, okay, and you're not looking at charts, you're going to get this shit wrong. The market ain't going high, it's going sideways before a major collapse. And everything we study in the charts points exactly to that. A continuation of that. Now, don't be scared, right? You're going to get scared. It doesn't matter how many fucking times I say it, okay? We get one little candle up. We're going to have one little fucking candle up tomorrow. And all of you that shorted the market today at the bottom, you're going to be like, oh, they're pumping it. Whoa, I'm getting the fuck out. And you will get fucked, okay? Because you don't have a mind of a short seller. You want to make money when stocks drop, you come to 13 market moves. It takes a mindset. It takes certain type of calculations to understand your entries and exits when you're short. When you're short means you're betting then shit is going to drop. Okay? And so for those of you that were like, Leo, but the market goes higher every day. Why would I short it now? Why would I make money when stocks drop when everything is going higher? Yeah, I know. This is how fucking complicated that is to like 90% of the traders. They can only function, Leo, I buy when things go lower and then I wait till they go higher. That's why you will get crushed. You will get absolutely fucking crushed in this market. And the only answer is 13 market moves. Guys, I'm telling you, nobody does it better than us. Nobody can time the markets on the short side better than us. You will be hearing the news how the market is crashing over the next 8 days. But guess what? It's going to be too late. Because you're going to be sitting and buying the fucking dip and you will get fucking ruined. Because you're not following this historic analog. Leo, where did you find this picture? Motherfucker, I found this picture and was trading the markets back in 2017, 2018. I got this picture, okay, when we nailed the top in Bitcoin in 2017. You know, it is amazing that most of you don't even know how to convert dollars to Bitcoin, or euros to Bitcoin, or Canadian dollars to Bitcoin. Fuck, you're just finding that out in 2024. Guys, we nailed the top in Bitcoin in 2017. And then we did it again when it hit 69K. And then we did it again. And we nailed the fucking bottom at 16. Guys, I'm telling you, we know a lot more about the markets because we fucking trade them. And I can pull up a chart like that and I can tell you, hey, the markets are going to top within fucking 26 to 28 days from when Bitcoin tops. And most of you will ignore the message because, why? Leo, but they're saying in the news, but well, Leo, oh my God, Leo, you were right. Okay, now, but shit, this is nothing. We're about to do this. And what are you going to be doing this? Oh my God, Leo, I should have listened to the news. I guess I should have studied the charts course. Damn right, exactly my fucking point. And like now, I'm just going to destroy all these fuckers on TV that are telling you how great of an idea and how great of a catch-up trade is IWM, which is like the small caps, right? With the small caps, okay, the only way you would be buying small caps if you think what? Inflation's going lower. Inflation's going higher, it's like a death verdict to this fucking index. Why do you think it's still it's still underperforming? S&P 500 is still underperforming. NASDAQ, it underperforms fucking everything for a reason, damn it. So, I recorded a video like a couple of weeks ago, guys. I don't know how I didn't get posted. Fucking, I have it somewhere on my computer, but I can't fucking find it for shit. I don't remember what I titled that thing. So the point is, it was like people coming on CNBC, one after another, and they were saying like, oh my God, this catch-up trade, buy Russell, buy it, because it's gonna, oh man, Russell's gonna do so good this year. Russell is gonna go to the toilet. You gotta be absolutely insane as a Wall Street analyst. Okay, we got high fucking inflation. Fed is not gonna cut the rates. That is not good for small business. Okay, high inflation and not lower rates. It's not good for small companies. So where's your strategy for this shit to go higher? Oh, I know what you're thinking, Leo, but it's called the stimulus. Leo, haven't you talked? You're talking about, they're talking about donating a shitload of money to kids again right now. So all these families got a ton of kids. They don't have to go to work anymore. Whoa, I'm wondering how the employment number's going to look on a Friday. Oh, can Biden hide that shit anymore? Is he going to take some notes from his Powell meeting this week? I don't know. I mean, there could be a wild surprise. What I'm saying is, guys, it doesn't matter how the cookie crumbles. Okay, you don't buy this shit because the chart looks bad. And it's not to a point when it's ugly. Guess when you're going to want to fucking short it? When it's going to be right fucking here. When it's going to look like this. Like it look. That's when you're going to want to fucking do it. But that's going to be the moment the markets admit, oh, we thought inflation, the big I, it's going to do this. Oh, now we understand the big I is doing this. At the same time, Okay, we're not raising the rates, so we're not really containing the big I. And at the same time, we're not lowering rates where people are hoping they'd get a slightly lower mortgage rate so we can go buy another fucking house. That shit ain't happening either. So, what are you saying, Leo? I'm saying the market is fucked. I've recorded the message yesterday before the market dropped. I'm recording it one more fucking time just to bring some clarity to the picture as far as the chart's concerned. But what this is, do not mistake this candle for anything less than a market move expansion to the downside. That's what this is. Okay? So, for those of you that missed the podcast, okay, what happens after the move expansion is what probably most of you want to know. So let's go through that real quick. Okay, so let's go to this chart. Basically, in a move expansion to the downside, okay, it's not like everything's just going to look like after all said and done in 8 days it's going to look like this, but there's going to be some bounces like intraday. It's going to actually look like this. Okay, so for those of you that are going to short the bottom and the market's going to bounce, you're going to be like, oh my God, it's going back up, I'm out. And then the market's going to drop. And you're like, okay, man, let me get back in. It looks like it's crashing again. And then as soon as you do, it's going to bounce. And you're going to be like, oh my God, I got to get out. And so by the time you lock like 3, 4, 5 fucking losses on these bounces, you're done. You're not a short seller. You are the history of a possible short seller. So that is what I'm saying. Like, if you don't know how to make money when stocks drop, where do you go? You come to 13 market moves. You come to 13 market moves for a reason, because we are the top 0.0001%. That means we're better than 99.99999% of short sellers in the fucking world. That's why you come and you trade the shit with us. Okay? But there's some stipulations, right? You cannot get, when we're sending you a trade right here, hey, market's about to fucking drop, buy puts. You cannot be like, wait, let me watch. Okay, I hear you guys. Okay, I'm in right here. Okay, like fuck, you missed this. But the time the market gets to here, holy shit, those options, like, you're paying 30 times more for them than what we paid for them yesterday. Do you get the fucking point? Okay, like, for most of the people, it's a little bit complicated. Well, how do I make money when stocks drop? Well, you buy shit low and you sell it high, meaning when you trade options, okay, when the market goes higher, it is highly unexplainable, okay, to anyone why the market would drop. But historical analogs and 30 market moves proves it time and time that it's going to happen. In a bigger way. And if you catch those 8 days of the market drop and you trade with short-term options, that's how you can go from like fucking 10K to $1 million plus. 10K gets you to $1 million? Bro, I want to know about this program, man. What do I got to do? Okay, well, you pay very close attention. You go review last 1,200 videos we posted in the channel. They'll get you prepared to understand the message. Or if you just want to cut for the chase, you just say, fuck, I don't have time to watch the last 1,200 videos you guys posted on this channel. I want to go trade with a coach right now because I don't want to miss this. I don't want to miss. 8 is the number of a great beginning. Okay, it's the 8 days that get you the great beginning you probably never experienced in your life. So this is it. Okay, I'll draw a heart. Okay, so now what's going to happen if you don't contact a 13 market moves coach? You're probably going to have to draw something like this. Okay, so don't get to that point. You know, and guys, my drawing skills suck, but it's going to look like this. Oh shit, Leo, I could have gone 10K to 1 mil per fuck. Oh damn it. Yeah, bleeding everywhere, fucking just like this red chart right here, just fucking blood drawing. Like, fuck, Leo, I should have fucking listened. I should have, man. Oh fuck, like, it doesn't fucking matter. You can do fucking backflips next week, okay, and your heart will be broken because you'll be like, man, I could have done this to this, and I didn't fucking do anything about it. Leo even spelled it out. It's the 8th. It's the number of the great beginning. It's the 8 days of the crash, and guess what? Today is just day number 1. Well, Leo, how can you be so certain the market's going to drop for 8 fucking days? Guys, trust me. I'll cover that in the next video. But after 8 days, okay? After 8 days, there's going to be a moment like this. Like, look, there's going to be like fucking drops, expansion of the move, expansion of the move. And here comes this. What is this? What is this, Leo? What the fuck is this? Please tell me. I want to know. I want to know when the rest of the world thinks that shit is just collapsing. I want to know when is it time to buy calls, because looks like it's a green candle and a gap up and a green. There's not a fucking green going on, and you're saying this can happen in next 8 days, and after this we're gonna get this. Yes, that's exactly what I'm fucking like. This is right here. This candle right here is the representation of a move 4, which is a bullish move, or 13. So we're gonna get in the next 8 days of trading, we're gonna get 4 or 13. So you gotta watch out for that. And clearly, if you don't even know what the fuck is a 2 or a 3, how would you even fucking know a 4 or a 13? So that's a straight up invitation for you to educate yourself on patterns and charts and recognition and how to nail these moves before they fucking happen. The way you do it, you go to 13mmtv.com, 13marketmoves.com. You contact a coach here at 13 Market Moves, and you never look back to all the bullshit. All the bullshit has been limiting you guys from living up your dreams. All but cut through the limitations. This is your fucking moment. 2, 3, 4, 13. Do it now. 13mmtv. Click the big orange button.